It's been a while since I've filmed an update for the 86. Go around and I'll show you what I've done to it.
Alright, so now we have a new bar on. It's not completely new, but it was in much better condition than the old one. Had to paint the top of it black. The top of it was red. Also comes with this nifty little lip. So I think it looks pretty nice. Let's go over here. Both of these mirrors are now black. They used to be white, and if you look closely, you can see it's kind of fucked still. So yeah, whoever previously painted it fucked it up. But now it's black again, so it looks a lot nicer. This one's also black. And here is the rust repairs. So all along here we've started to sand back, so get ready for paint. We started to mask it up. And if you look down here there's all rust. All here there was rust. Now it's like pretty nice. Inside the door, there's still a little bit of rust, like in here. But overall, like everywhere else, not too bad. It's all right. Down here, because we took off the rear bar, down here realized there was a shit ton of rust. So just grinded out the bad parts, rush treated it, sanded it back, put it in primer. So that'll get painted along with the rest of the bar. Down here, the springs and shocks have been put in correctly. So that'll sit nicer when it's on the ground. Still got to hook up rear sway bar, so we'll do that. May as well. And the handbrake for the drums. So the rear bar's getting painted black, back to factory color. This looks a lot nicer, and the white paint on this just did not age well at all. Looked like absolute dog water. So I've started sanding it back. It's almost ready to be painted. Just got to do like a bit of primer patches like here and there. And the biggest and most exciting part is if I pop the bonnet, and you might already see from what's sitting over here, but I can find the latch. There it is. We have a 20 valve blacktops near now. So I've been trying to get a rocker cover sourced from New Zealand. But yeah, it's a blacktop 20 valve, a small port. I think it was a front wheel drive. So it would have to be converted to rear wheel drive. And I've also got a T50 transmission to go with it. So it's a manual, and that'll be really nice when it's all put in. It doesn't have a clutch or flywheel yet, because the clutch and flywheel of the 4AC is a different studs. It's cooked, but it's alright. It'll do for now. Just pop it in the boot or something. Or if I want to get it running, can do that. Then we've got the grill over here. So this grill will just sit here like this. And I've got the Toyota emblem for it. Just wanted to paint the letters white. So I've done the rest of it black. I'm just going to get like a sheet of A4. Just spray a bit of white on it. And then just, yeah, dab it on there. And that'll paint it white. Yeah, it's coming along quite nicely. The rest of the body's in not too bad condition. Gave it a whole cut and polish. But you can see here it started to get a bit dirty again. So maybe give it another clean. Like over here it's starting to get a bit dirty. There are a couple dents, like in the roof here you can see. But other than that, it's not too bad. Alright, I'm going to finish off sanding the bar. We have 320 over here. Just need to get like rid of some of the rough edges. And then primer patch it, sand over that, and then hopefully get it ready for paint. Alright, just got to hit it with a bit of primer patch. So just like all the little bits that need to be filled in, or like sprayed over. set. I'm just going to give it a bit of a green pad, and then I'm going to go over it with the acrylic primer. Alright, bar's fully prepped. Primer's all on there, all good. Giving it a rub with the 800 soft pad, and then just wiped it out with some prepping solution. Gonna spray it with a matte black, just make it match the front bar. So yeah, all this now. Adds a little bit more primer patches because of runs, but yeah, it's ready to be painted matte black. Alright, so overall not too bad. All the paint's just drying right now. So when it's fully dried and it lifts up, I'll be able to see if I've missed any bits. But I think right now I've probably got all of it. So give that a couple more minutes to dry and yeah, see how it looks. What are you doing, Adrian?
Putting the VQ up on the trailer, on the tow truck, sending it down to the electrician. It's starting.
Not starting.
Car's not getting any sparks, so I'm going to have a look at it.
So this is the current situation with the paint. As you can see, it's basically done. There's still a couple spots that are drying, but other than that, it's pretty good. Down here, all that's black now. Was going to try and put it on, but still need to paint this, of course. And also, Jamal is coming to work on the Skyline. So we'll be able to get some footage of that. I think he wants to do the coil pack, see if we can try and get it started. So yeah, be sweet as we can get it started. See ya!
Hey!
Hello.
True! How you going, mate?
You alright?
Alright.
We're doing Jamal's Skyline tonight.
Are we?
Yeah.
What are we getting started?
Yeah, hopefully. This is Michael's car, by the way. It's 34. Nah, it's not shit. Fucking shit box.
Ah, fucked hot. Shitbox.
Yo! It's our photographer! It's not she.
Hey. Oh yeah?
Yeah, this guy does all our photography and shit.
Yeah.
So you're going to be seeing a lot of his work. Where can we find your work, Josiah?
Right now at the Art of Gigs on Instagram.
So where's the Sylvia?
At my house.
Why?
Because I haven't got the part for the tyres yet.
Oh, you fucking idiot,
I
man.
ordered it on Sunday, but it's coming from the UK.
Okay.
You can't get it here.
We've got like spark plug
Sockets.
gap. Yeah, we got a socket for it. We got the gap measurers as well. What's it called? What are you doing right now, Adrian?
Just cleaning the spark plugs for the Valiant.
Yeah, so his spark plugs, he fouled them up. That's why it's not starting.
Yeah, so they're like completely black and shit. So now
I was wondering what you were holding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all black inside, all around the
really
ring
see
too. You can't really
the
see much,
brightness.
but you should clean that too.
Yeah, you should. Alright, so we're just going to take this off. Jamal's grabbing the spark plugs now. This is the Skyline. It's a 33 GTT. He's got the running gear from another 33 GTT in it right now. But he's just got it here. He's got his Sylvia at home now, so there's nowhere to put this one. This one's also a 5-speed manual. If it's 5, I think it's 5-speed, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
And it's got an RB25 in it. He's done all the wiring himself to get it started, so he's hoping it's just the plugs. Well, I think it's just the plugs anyway. I think he's done a good job on the wiring. So yeah, he's gonna get the spark plugs, change them over. We'll get the battery out of one of the other cars, and then yeah, we'll see if we can get it started.
And it'll be in the most obscure spot. When I leave there. I don't like how tight this one here is.
Is this much better than working in the confined space of your driveway?
Yeah, because normally what we'd do is we just at least roll this back a little bit, but there's tons of space here.
Yeah,
and there's easy access to tools.
Yeah, literally right in that fucking door there.
Once all the cars are sorted, we can just move in what we need to when we're working on it and stuff. Yeah, there's probably going to be water in here. I'm going to have to fucking...
That's fucked up, cunt.
I'm going to have to like get a paper towel and a flathead and just shove it down there, soak up all the water. That's from the way how we kept it outside the workshop. Your dad had a tarp on it for like ever, but the tarp was sagging in the middle.
So it would have just been
It
completely...
wasn't like pinned down.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm going to have to clean out all these ports. Then I'm gonna have to take all the spark plugs out and hope they're not fucking stuck. Have a look. That's fucked as. That's not the worst one.
Yeah.
The inside looks better than the fucking first and second one. That one's just fucking cooked. Yeah. Normally I'd put like a mat down. That way you can full lean on it.
I can get a fucking mat for you if you like. I've got one. Nah, give me a sec. I'll go grab it. May as well. I come bearing a gift. It's alright. Let's weight it so it will hold itself. Yeah. How's the food coming along? Nice.
This one's fucking really tight for some reason. That's really bad.
Did it just
That
snap
just
and
went
shit?
really...
Fuck. Shit, bro. Is it stuck in there?
Yeah, the other half's gonna be stuck in there. It's a good thing they have other screw holes opposite. Might just have to change up the orientation. That's fucking so...
At least it didn't snap while it was in there. You can get the thing off.
There you go, you can see it. You can
That's just dirt and shit.
You can see it. Fuck's sake.
Spreads
That was
itself.
fucking mint. That one didn't even get water on it. It's probably gonna start straight away because I think the starter solenoid's stuck. So if I turn the key, alright, the key's in, so that the fuel pump should be primed.
You should get a mountable. Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, she wants to go, man.
No fuel, maybe? I don't smell fuel, so I don't think it's getting fuel.
When I put it on,
It wants to go so
I know.
bad, bro.
nah, it's fine. When I put it on and it cranks, open the throttle. See if you can give it some air.
Yep.
Nah.
The fucking lights, dude.
It didn't clip.
The coils might just actually be cooked.
Well, you... No, I can smell fuel.
You can smell fuel. It's probably not getting burnt. That's why.
Fuck. That's close, though. It's so fucking...
It's-
It wants to go, dude.
It's gonna be the coil packs then.
Yeah, where's the coil pack going to?
Here.
Is it actually getting power, the coil pack?
I mean, fuck knows. Well, I don't know what that was. That was clipped on properly.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck
Oh,
happened
did
there.
Jordan unplug everything?
Is the key in there? Like, will it crank? Like
Yeah, but you won't be able to like.
you can't crank it with...
I mean, it's but try. You ready? Like when I hook up the battery, try turn the key as well. You ready?
Yeah, because that could be...
Here we go.
Yep.
Throttle's not short. No throttles, dude.
Yeah, it's like.
I just pulled the battery off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like no
it sounds like
throttle.
it's choking itself on the throttle. Dude, but it fucking turns
yeah.
on, man. No way.
So
Good
did you just
job.
crack the key? Did you?
Yeah, I just cracked the key.
Yeah, right.
Good job, man. Fucking
Oh,
own.
no. Do you know what it would be? You turn it, you crank it, it starts, and because the starter solenoid is stuck, it's the starter shooting out, interfering with the flywheel, like making it
so
uneven.
it's not actually starting because of that.
Yeah,